Hi folks, we return to the Analog Modular Synthesizer with a lovely little patch that I have done, and it mostly only uses this first cabinet, so we're going to explain it to you in detail now and then you can hear it. It's a 2 oscillator patch, and as you can see we've got one on the 4-foot and one on the 16-foot setting, and they're tuned to each other, and you can see there that we've got some linear frequency modulation going on, and it's set to about 2.6 in both cases, and we're using the pulse wave on the oscillator 1, and we're using the sawtooth wave on the oscillator 2. And you'll need to notice that we have the pulse width setting set over to about 7.8. And they're going into the mixer, and we've got the mixer settings. If you can see there what we've got the mixer set to. We've got it set to about 4.4 for oscillator 1, and we've got it set to 4 for oscillator 2. And we've got the output of our mixer going into our usual state variable filter, and the output of the filter goes into the VCA, so it's a pretty much standard patch. The only difference to our standard simple patch is that we have some modulation going on in the oscillators, and we have an extra envelope generator working on our filter. Notice where we have our filter frequency set, we have it set to 4, and we're using maximum level on the plus input for the envelope generator, as you can see right there, no resonance, and we're using the low pass output. So the only other thing that we need to look at for you to make this beautiful patch, beautiful sounding patch, is to get some settings for your envelope generators, and the one on the left is feeding the filter, and on the one on the right is feeding the VCA. In both cases we've got very fast attack. We've got a longer delay, a much longer delay on the VCA than the VCF. The VCF delay is 1.8 and the VCA delay is about 6.7, and we have no sustain, and we've got the release time set to mid position for both of them, about 5. And the last thing we turn our attention to is the LFO. We've got the LFO on the lowest frequency where it says lower, as you can see there. and we've got the frequency knob set to maximum or just below maximum, about 9.6, and we've got it set on the sine wave, which is a triangle plus that. Actually no, it's set to the triangle wave, sorry, set to the triangle wave, and we've got it on the 5-volt position. Notice we've got it on the 5-volt position there, and the amplitude is about just a little beyond 3/4. So that's it, guys, that's the patch, and we're glad you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you again soon with another one. Take care and keep watching the Stephen Mendes channel.